Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. In this video I'm going to share a recipe with you. It's crispy crunchy tea time snack which is really easy to make and it's perfect for this rainy season, and I'm going to share some tips and tricks. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn those notifications on for my future uploads. So to make this cutlet, we are going to heat some oil, about 1 teaspoon of oil. When oil is hot, I'm going to add cumin seeds. When they start to splutter, I'm going to add grated carrots. This is really healthy and it has lots of vegetables. And I'm going to add some green peas. This is about 1/4 cup. Lightly saute it, and then I'm going to add pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, or you can use chaat masala also. Now saute for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add mashed potatoes. This is boiled and mashed potatoes. I have used like about 3 medium-sized potatoes. Now add salt to taste, and for little zest I'm going to add amchur powder. This is dry mango powder, or you can use lime juice. Now I'm going to lightly mash so that everything gets really mixed well. Here I have grated beetroot which I'm going to add. It gives a really nice bright color. And then I almost forgot grated ginger and green chili paste. So I added that and I'm going to mix this really well. It is really flavorful and it is very easy to make. So our stuffing for the cutlets is ready. Now I'm going to take this out in a bowl so that it can cool down. Look, beautiful color. It's because of the beetroot and all the vegetables. Now I'm going to prepare a slurry so that our cutlets are very crispy and crunchy. So here I have 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and then I'm going to add water and make a slurry like this. And here I have some breadcrumbs. So I have taken this mold. It's a heart shape cookie mold, or for the cutlet especially, and it has a removable bottom so that I can demold it easily, or you can use this heart shaped cookie cutter. So I'm going to grease it with oil, and then I'm going to fill it up so that it can shape nicely. And I'm just going to push it up so that it can demold easily, and look, beautiful heart shape is ready. Now on that note, please hit that like button. So our cutlets are ready. I'm going to dip them into this slurry and quickly dust them with the breadcrumbs so that it's nice and crispy. Now you can prepare all these, and I have put them into the freezer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes they are ready to fry. You can deep fry them or shallow fry them like I'm doing. Fry them until they are nice and crispy on each side. And here our cutlets are ready. And I'm going to take it out on a kitchen paper towel to drain excess oil and then serve as you please. So here I have some salad laying at the bottom, and I have served like this. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, and enjoy this crispy and crunchy tea time snack, veg cutlet, in this rainy season. And I'll see you guys next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.